I keep catching myself falling in love with BC over and over and over again. Waking up to the most incredible mountain views, so many soul-filling adventures, and a rekindled appreciation for winter have all come with choosing to slow life down in Whistler, and it is here that the world just feels right.
Good morning. So I decided to do a winter season in Whistler. Spent the last few weeks just kind of getting settled in, and now I want to share this place with you guys. Let's go! One thing that I absolutely adore about out west is just all the places that let your soul breathe easy. Good morning! I woke up with enough battery power to have the heat running for a little bit before I get out of my sleeping bag this morning, and there is honestly nothing better. This has been my backyard for the last few weeks, and honestly, I just feel so grateful. The universe works in the most magical ways, and this is definitely one of them. One of my absolute favorite things is just my drive to work. Heading to the village for a quick coffee shop cozy up, and then I work an evening shift tonight, so it's gonna be a good rest of the day. I just got home from work, cooked up a quick dinner, pasta straight out of the pot tonight.
Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life.
To be completely honest, I woke up this morning feeling a whole lot like all I wanted to do was have my favorite people close, even if only for 24 hours, and so I figured the next best thing would be to just kind of immerse myself in nature, and I think this is a good spot to be until that feeling passes. It is a very much needed laundry day today. I found the cutest little spot in Squamish. They've got laundry, they have coffee, and they have Wi-Fi, so all the good stuff.
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. is the good life.